Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Welcome back to our maths class. Remove your page number 10. In the previous session, we have learned about place value. Now, we are going to learn numbers on abacus. So, this is a abacus and these spikes are there and beads are there. So, let's learn on abacus. Now you can see this is known as abacus. This is known as spikes and this is known as beads. And here up 0, T and H is there. So in the previous lecture, in the previous session, we have seen that O stand for ones, T stand for tens and H stand for 100. Now on your page number 11, there is a practice zone 3. Show the following numbers on the abacus. So first one is 234, 234. So we have to draw here beads and we have to write here numbers. So we'll solve on this abacus. So what is the number? The number is 234. The number is 234. So 234 means 4 is on ones place, 3 is on tens and H on 2. So let's see here on abacus we have put on ones place 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write here 4. Then on tens place 1, 2, 3. And on this 100 place 2 beads are there. So we'll write here 2. So number becomes 234. Same here in your book as we have seen in the abacus. 0. O on ones place 4 beads are there. So we have to draw here on the spike 4 beads. On tens 3. 1, 2, 3. And on 100 2 beads are there. So the number becomes 234. Same we will see the second example. Now see here second example is 508, 500 and 508. So how you are going to, let's see on abacus. So on ones place how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on tens place no beads are there, nothing is there, means what? It's a 0. If on a spike there is no beads, nothing is there, it means it's a 0. On 100 place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 508. So place value of 8 will be 8. Place value of 0 will be 10. Why? Because it is on tens place. And place value of 5 will be 500 because it is on 100 place. Now let's draw beads on your book 508. So on ones place 8, we have to draw 8 beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And on 10 plates 0 is there, so no beads. On 100 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So here number becomes 508. Now see third example, 785. So on ones place we have to draw 5 beads. On hundreds plate 8 is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. On 100 place 7 is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So number becomes 785. Now see the D1, number is 947. On ones place 7 beads are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. On tens place 4 is there, so we are going to draw 4 beads. On 100 place 9 is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So the number becomes 947. Now turn the page. Expanded form of numbers. When we separate or expand digits on a number on the basis of its place value, it is known as expanded form. Expanded form means you have to separate or expand it. Okay. Now see, as we have already seen the place value, ones, tens, hundred. So number is 786. So place value of 6 is 6 because it is on ones place, and place value of 8 is 80 because it is on tens place. Place value of 7 is 700 because it is on seventh place. So how you are going to write expanded form? The expanded form of 786 is, as we have seen here, 700, that is equal to 700 plus 8 tens. 8 tens means what? Place value of 8 is 80 and plus 6. So 786, expanded form of 786 is 700 plus 80 plus 6. Now let us solve this practice zone 4. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. So see, this is the 346. So how we are going to write? See, first we will write here only ones, tens, hundred. It will be easy for you to write. Now 3. 3 is 300 plus 4 tens means what? 40 plus 6 is on ones place, so it will be 6. Okay, now see the second example, 625. Here also we will write up ones, tens and 100. 6 is on 100 place, so let's write 600 plus T2, place value of 2 is 20. Let's write 20 plus 5. What is the place value of 5? It will be only 5. Now see the third example, 748. Here also we are going to write ones, tens and 100. 7 is on 100 place, so 700. 4 is on tens place, that's why 40, and plus 8. Same for 849. Ones, tens, 100. 8 for 800 plus 40 plus 9. Now see the next one, before, between and after. So already you have done in your previous classes. Before means pehle, between means in between, and after means baad mein. So let's see here the number before 405. 405, before 405 here is a 404, and after 405 here is a 406. So number before 405 is 404, and after 405 406 is there, and between 405 and 406 there is a 405. Next, let's see the page number. Now write the number. Practice zone 5. Write the number that comes before and after the given number. So before 234 the number is 233, and after 234 the number is 235. 356, before 356 355 is there, and after 356 357 is there. Now see C1 421. So before 421 420, and after 421 422. Now see the next one. Before 554 553 is there, and after 554 555 is there. Now see the second one, 657. Before 657 656 is there, after 657 658 is there. Next one, 875. 875, before 875 874 is there, and after 875 876 is there. Now it's homework time. For your homework, remove your my observation book, page number 5. In previous session, I have given you homework question number 1 and 2. Now, show the following numbers on the abacus. Question number 3 on page number 5. Question number 3 on turn the page on page number 6. Question number 4. Only question number 3 and 4 is for your homework. Now see, write the expanded form of the following numbers. So 347. So we will write here same as we have done in the textbook. Ones, tens, 100. 3 is on 100 place, so write here 300. 4 is on tens place, so write here 4. 7 is on ones place, so write here 7. So 300. So write here 300, and 4 is on tens place, so write here 40 and write here 7. So like this you have to solve question number 3 and 4. So 3 as we have done in the books, in the textbook, 206. So 2 is on 100 place, on 10 place 0 is there, and on ones place 6 is there. So same you have to draw 6 beads on one place on this spike. 1 2 3 4 5 6. On tens place 0 is there, so here no beads. On 100 place we have to draw 2 beads. So number is 200. So number is 206. So like this only you have to solve the another sums. So today's homework is you have to solve question number 3 and 4. Hope you have understood and complete your homework. Thank you.